How to tie the adjustable jug sling knot, the easy version. So to tie this, what I've done is I have folded my rope in half. So there it's folded, and to the right hand side there we've got our standing parts. So just going to take it through a little bit to the left, and the first thing that we're going to do is get hold of the top rope and roll it round and form a loop at that point there. And you can now see that the cordage is going around, underneath, over the top of itself, and then off to the right hand side. And we're going to do exactly the same for the bottom, just mirror it. And so take it, roll it over like so, and now we have the cordage going underneath itself, around, over the top, and off to the right hand side. Then the next thing that we do is we pick up the bottom loop and we put it over the top loop like so. Now that we've done that, we then put our finger in there just a little bit and open it up. We then take the loop that we created at the very beginning, or where we folded it in half, and we take that and we pass it down through the middle of those two loops, take it through, pull it over the top, and there we have it. We've now tied the adjustable jug sling knot. And here's the top of my jug as such. I'm just going to open it up a little bit, place it over the top, and then you can pull up nice and tightly on both ends. And there you have it, 1 in number adjustable jug sling knot. And I'd like to just thank John Dean for showing this one to me.